I got some lean ground beef for, what is this for? I forgot what I'm making this week. Hey guys, my name is Heather and welcome to my channel. If you've not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. My channel is all about my weight loss journey. I upload several videos throughout the week, everything from grocery hauls, meal prep with me, my workout routines, check-ins, goal setting, and so much more. So I'd love to have you guys subscribe so we can build this community together. So today I have a grocery haul for you. I went to Target today. I did not go to Trader Joe's because I had to get quite a few things that Trader Joe's doesn't have, and I didn't want to go to a couple different stores, so I just went to Target. So I am going to show you what I got. First, I'm going to start with my Yasso bars because I need to get these in the freezer before they melt. These are amazing. They're 100 calories a piece. Butter pecan, my absolute favorite. If you have not tried these, I recommend. And then I got, I don't think I've tried this one, chocolate chip cookie dough. So we'll see how this is. We'll see if this tops my butter pecan. Let's see, I got eggs. So last week I had English muffin with peanut butter and hard-boiled eggs for breakfast, and I liked it so much I'm gonna have it again, so that's what the eggs are for. I got 2 of these non-fat plain Greek yogurt. I am going to use these as sour cream for my taco salad that I'm making for the week. I got lettuce for my taco salad. I got bean sprouts for a recipe that I'll be making in a cook with me. I am not going to tell you what I'm making yet because it's a surprise. I got some spiced tamed jalapeno peppers, so less seeds in there, not so hot. These are for my taco salad. Salsa for my taco salad. I've never tried this brand. It's a local brand, Minnesalsa, because I'm from Minnesota. Mini salsa. Cilantro. This might give away my recipe, but I got 4 of these ramen noodles. So I just started buying cold brew coffee. You know, it's summer here and I don't like to drink hot coffee in the mornings in the summer. I really miss coffee in the mornings. I miss the caffeine that it gives me. I know that's not healthy, but it is what it is and that's just how I am. But I got some cold coffee. It's just an unsweetened extra bold brew. I like extra bold black coffee. And then I usually put creamer in it. I know that's not the healthiest, but again, that's me, that's my preference. I just add the calories into my app. It doesn't add that many calories, to be honest, because the coffee is so, I think it's 20 calories per 12 ounces. And then I add maybe like an ounce or so of creamer, and that's usually enough. And I got the Oreo, International Delight Oreo. I've been using Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and I'm gonna give the Oreo a try. I got some lean ground beef for, what is this for? I forgot what I'm making this week. Oh, I'm gonna make some beer burgers. I got the recipe off of Mix and Match Mama. She has a great website. A lot of her recipes are really high calorie, but this recipe looked pretty good and I don't want to pass it up. So I'm gonna try this week, and I'm gonna have it on half of a bun rather than a full bun, just to save some calories. See how it goes. I got some ground chicken to use for my taco salads. And then I got some chicken tenderloins for that recipe that I'll be making this week. I bought some Guerrero tostadas for my taco salads. I got some carrot for the recipe that I'll be making this week. An onion, 2 limes. I got some green onions for my taco salad and the other recipe I'll be making this week. I got some mushrooms. I got some sharp cheddar cheese for the cheddar beer burgers. Taco seasoning for my taco salads. Here's my English muffins for breakfast. I got the 100%. Oops, upside down. I got the 100% whole wheat, and then I got sparkling water. I really like this brand. I've never seen it before last week. It's really good. I mean, it tastes like sparkling water. I don't know if you can really tell the difference between brands, but I do like this brand. They have some really fun flavors. This one is blueberry pomegranate, strawberry cucumber. I had this last week and it was delicious. And this is a new flavor I haven't seen. It is lime and watermelon. I'm excited to try this one. Okay guys, I had to get back on here and just let you know, I tried this watermelon lime flavor and it tastes just like a Starburst. You guys, you have to go out and get this AHA brand, and it's the lime watermelon flavor. I think this is the best sparkling water that I've tried, so go get you some. So that does it for my grocery haul. I gotta get all of this in the fridge so I can film my meal prep. So yeah, that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed again, please do so down below. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And make sure you like this video if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.